little bit of a cough, so I apologize if I cough here in a little bit. And I don't have a clicker, so I'm going to have to walk back and forth to get
rid of the smoking barrier. That gets rid of the cough barrier. And so that might turn out to drive.
Our conversation a minute ago, can you cough into your cell phone and get a read at the other end, for example?
What should be completely gone, like measles, like whooping cough from places like the United States, can come back and come back fast.
That we've had a moment of clarity, and that it's like taking a teaspoon of cough syrup. A teaspoon might help you get better, but
moved. And the Supreme Court, cough, cough, ratifies these things. And the stock market.
For us, it's an annoyance. If you're a normal, healthy person, it's called the 100-day cough for a reason, because you will cough your head off for 100 days.